Hello everyone, my name is Kim of Love at Home, and today we are going to have a Dollar Tree haul. So as you can see, I have a couple of plastic bags full of goodies from the Dollar Tree, so keep watching. So I kind of figured that it'll be so much fun to just pick an item at random. So let me see here. So this item is 3 for $1, and it's this slim container that you can actually put tiny items. For me, I can use this to put my, let's say, lotion, shampoo, or any kind of body products that I don't want to be all messy inside my drawers. So in order to organize them properly, I can put it in here, but you can also use it in your pantry as, I think, a container for your condiments. Next up is this pie container. So I have been looking for this for quite some time. I don't know why a lot of Dollar Tree stores don't have this anymore. Maybe they're sold out. But what I'm going to do with this is to add these marbles. So what they can do with this is you can stack up the marbles in between the pans to turn this one into a Lazy Susan for $3. And I got some items too for the nails. So I got this nail polish remover for $1 and it does the job. So the scent is pretty strong, but I'm fine with it. And I've also had this container that I can put my nail polish remover. Ain't that cool, huh? Next items are these. So I got this super dry for $1, this Miracle nail hardener for $1, and this what do you call this in English? This nail file for $1. So these are not my favorite, but it gets the job done. Another item. Oh, these are some items that my husband got. So he got this Dove Men Care. I'm not really sure if this is cheaper in the grocery store, but hey, if you're in the dollar store, you just grab a lot of stuff. You know what I mean? And he also got this dishwashing soap, the Ajax dishwashing soap. I'm not really sure if this is also cheaper, but I'm gonna check it out. Hopefully it is. Hopefully it's worth it. One of the favorite soap of my husband from the Dollar Tree is this soft soap. So it's a hand soap. Over here. I hope you can see it. It doesn't automatically focus. Sorry about that. But this hand soap is pretty good, you know, for $1. Why not? So we got 3 of these. Let me see. Oh, here you go. We got some nail clippers and manicure set. Because for some reason, I'm not really enjoying other people doing my nails, and I just rather do it on my own, so I got this $1 manicure set. Okay, we are less than halfway there. So I got these really cute mittens from the Dollar Tree. It's $1 each. So what I like about this is it's a rooster. Isn't it adorable? I mean, it reminds me so much of some rooster doing cock-a-doodle-doo, and you know that it's already 6 o'clock in the morning. So I got these because our mittens, let me show you, looks really bad. I think we've had this for about 7 years and it's time to go. I'm sorry, you served us well, you are loved, but it's time to go. Next item is this one. So it's a thong. It's a cooking tong. So if ever you're gonna use non-stick pans, you can use these. It's very easy to use. You push it here and then, ow, You can do this and then you pull it again and it doesn't move. You push, then it widens, you pull, then it doesn't. Easy. Okay, I feel like I'm in winter TV shopping or something. So isopropyl alcohol for $1. I also got this hydrogen peroxide because I'm gonna try to experiment on homemade cleaning products. So hopefully it'll work with these dollar store items. Okay, and next one is one of my favorites. It's Epsom salt. So I usually go for a bath and add Epsom salt for muscle aches. This is a good item for me. And let me see. I also got this notebook. I know it can be cheaper in other stores, but I just like the logo. Strong is the new pretty. Ain't that cool? Oh, I also got a box of a bunch of crunch. So it's a chocolate snack that I got there because why not? And of course, hair ties. A lot of girls know what it feels like when you have a bunch of these hair ties and all of a sudden they just all disappear out of the black hole, out of nowhere, and you can't find them anymore. So these hair ties for $1 is a steal. So probably I'll be buying these like once a month or something. So this is actually really cool too. It's my first time seeing an item like this. It's where you put your spatula whenever you're cooking so that you won't have a hard time looking for a place to put on your spatula because you don't want to put it on your kitchen counter, but at the same time there's no other choice because you don't want to leave it in the pot as well. So this is a good place for you to rest your spatula or spoon or big spoon. Yeah. Okay. And we also have this carabiners. So I watched Brittany Vestor did a video about this, and what she does with these carabiners is she puts all her hair ties here so that she wouldn't have to worry about her hair ties getting lost. So that's a good idea. And we also got this pregnancy test kit because you'll never know. I think I have other items that I forgot. Oh, there you go. These are the other items. So I also got this container where you can put different kitchen utensils. So what you do is you put this inside your drawer and you would put the items or your kitchen items here, fork, spoon, etc. You know what I mean. But what I did with this is I used this to organize my husband's drawer in our bathroom. So all his items such as his toothbrush, comb, razor, etc. are all organized, and it's not gonna be so messy, and he won't keep on asking me, honey, where's my toothbrush, honey, where's my toothpaste, etc., etc. It's all organized. Okay. And next one. So I got these items. I'm pretty sure I got this for 2 pieces for $1, and you can put the small items here. For me, what I did here is I put my nail polish or nail polish hardener and all, so it's all organized inside my drawer and it won't keep on moving. And you can also put tiny items in here such as samples of your creams that you use, so that's also a good idea. This is also something that I really like. What I like about this container is that it has rubber at the bottom. So I feel like when you have rubber at the bottom, it just has so much grip in it. So what I'm going to do with this is that I'm going to use this to organize our home office because it's such a mess right now. I don't know how to begin with that, but I will make sure that I will make a before and after video of our office organization because it's such a mess right now. Oh yeah, I got some trash bags. It's 10 pieces for $10 for $1. So 10 pieces for $1, and it's kind of big for our trash bin inside our bathroom, and it's too small for the one in our kitchen. But hey, it's $1. What else? Oh, I also got this organizer. So it's like a metal organizer which you can use in your office for small items, for like post-it notes. You can put your stapler here or anything you'd like to organize inside your office. And more organization materials, see? So you can also use this at the office, at the pantry. I think you can use this to put, let's say, onions, garlic, etc. in the pantry. Okay. And oh yes, I told you it's 2 pieces for $1. There you go. I got a couple of these. What else did I get? Oh yeah, I got these little weapons, you know, to kill the flies, because we've been using the same fly killer for so many years now, and it's just so disgusting. Okay, I'm gonna put it out there. We haven't washed that for years. I think we haven't even washed that ever since the time we bought it. Otherwise, you'll end up cross-contaminating your entire house, whatever area this thing touches. So anyway, it's the husband's job to kill the bugs, because for some reason you can ask me to clean the toilet 10 times rather than kill a bug or kill a fly. That's just how I am. Okay, so that wraps up the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you reached this point of the video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more content on cleaning, organization, Dollar Tree hauls, lifestyle, and more cleaning motivation. So make sure you also click the bell icon down there to notify you that I upload every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.